Welcome to the video WAGO Lighting Management, self-contained emergency lamps with battery. Let's take a look to the hardware. I have here the application controller, a DALI multi-master module, and on this module my DALI emergency lamp is connected. This lamp is located in the production. Let's continue with the application. I have to type in the IP address of the application in the browser. Please use HTTPS. The HTTP port is deactivated for security reasons. So at first I have to log in with my username admin and the password is WAGO. The application starts in the view function and I want to change to outputs. Here you see our emergency lamp. I have addressed this emergency lamp before by clicking on start. I will find this emergency lamp automatically in the view emergency lighting because the lamp is detected by the device profile as an emergency lamp. I want to show you at first the status information of this lamp. Normal mode active. Okay. We can see here also alerts. So I click on alerts and you see a schedule is missing at this lamp. So I have to define a schedule. That is my next step. So I click now on schedule and schedule 1 is still configured and can be used for this lamp. So I close the window and assign this schedule to my lamp. Okay, now I type in the location of this lamp. Location is production underline west. Okay, to complete the commissioning I have to put a tick at commissioned. And the test results and that the commission is completed are logged in a log file. So I click on log file. You see my browser blocks pop-ups, but I can allow this pop-up. And now you see the log viewer where all the test results are listed. So I click on maintenance results over my list and you see I have completed the commissioning for the lamp in production west at this date and time. And if you want to save the log data, please click on download and store the log files on your laptop.